What's up? What's up?
Oh, he's such a gentleman. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Daytime Live. Thank you. That's my shoes. You see it? Yes,
Really?
yes.
Oh,
All right,
boots and beer things.
The boots and beer things today. So because he's so casual, I thought I'd go a little,
Yeah,
you know, a little hello.
Relax. What are you doing today?
Craigie T, CT, how was your weekend?
It was good. Actually, spent most of the weekend working. You know, so we have a little top secret project we're doing in the studio.
Really? You gonna tell me?
We had a couple of writing sessions. I can't tell you on here.
Tell me. You're not here. They're not
We had a couple of writing sessions and mixing sessions. It was good. It was really
nice.
good. Yeah,
Well, this weekend for me was really, really awesome.
Yeah? What you do?
You know that my daughter brought home a kitten, right?
I did not know that.
She brought home a kitten over the Christmas period. So we've had a kitten at home. We know already have dogs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, the kitten wants to poo all over my clothes, in her clothes, in everybody's clothes. You know, so the cat's got to go.
Yeah.
So if anybody at home would like a kitten, contact here. Call me, because you can have her. Her name is Luna, and she's too much.
No,
so I'm just saying.
I'm allergic to cats. So I don't
You can
have,
take it though.
I don't have those problems.
You're allergic to cats?
Yeah, allergic.
Daytime Live. Okay, guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, which is Instagram and Twitter, and that's TVJ_Daytime Live. Also, Facebook, which is TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of the studio audience, be sure to log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed. That's televisionjamaica.com/Daytime Live.
There's more to it than that, but I'm going to leave you on that one.
Holy.
And you can catch back episodes via One Spot Media. All right, so what's buzzing?
Okay, so Ian Boyne was laid to rest over the weekend, and hundreds of people turned out at the National Indoor Sports Center to say their final farewells to the journalist. He was 60 when he died in December after suffering from a series of heart attacks. His daughter Kellyanne Boyne had the audience captivated as she delivered her rendition of "Why Should I Be Discouraged."
I didn't know she could sing.
I didn't know she was a singer, but apparently it was awesome.
Yeah.
You know, she said, Dad, you said I was the star of your TV show, but you were the star of my universe.
Oh, and Faye Ellington
Awesome.
read the tribute on behalf of Boyne's wife, Margaret. She said his faith meant everything to him, and he tried to be the best husband in the world. He was incredibly forgiving. Ellington conveyed that sentiment. He was hilarious. People would often wonder what keeps us laughing, as if we were newlyweds. Ian was compassionate. He would cry often and easily. Often he was touched by the suffering of the poor. So rest in peace, sleep in peace. You'll be truly missed. This
Awesome
country
man
has
with a big
lost
heart.
an icon for
man.
sure.
Rest in peace, Mr. Boyne.
And her dress, by the way, your dress, the dress
Yeah, I
was
heard
amazing.
you talking
Did you
about the
see?
dress. I did not see the dress.
Look at that. And
Wow.
it had pictures on the back. Not pictures, but you know, fabric of him in various things. It was amazing. It was
That's really
beautiful,
nice.
stunning. Everybody. It was
On a
awesome.
different note, Instagram is being blamed for withholding likes in order to get users
What?
to come back. In an article in the Canadian Globe and Mail website, it was said that it's common knowledge that the industry, that Instagram exploits the industry by withholding likes in order to get users to continue checking.
I knew that was what was happening.
So if the photo sharing app decides that you need to use the service more often, it will show you only a fraction of the likes you received on a given post at first, hoping that you will keep checking every now
Because
and
you're
then.
disappointed at your haul, right?
Yeah, so apparently they're exploiting people's insecurities.
Oh, but Instagram CTO says they do not withhold likes. What do you think?
Nah,
What do
some
you
not think them withhold likes. I mean, I would notice still, look, as critics say, we do it for the love, we don't do it for the likes.
Liar, we do it for the likes.
You do it for the likes.
We do it for the likes, right?
I mean-
Because sometimes I put up something on Instagram, and then my computer, because you know you have your phone, right? The app on your phone, and then you have your computer because it's linked somehow.
Right.
And your computer would say,
So the notifications
you have a
come on.
notification, and you go onto your phone, and there's nothing there. So yes, you do Instagram.
No,
Yes, you do. I knew it.
Nah, man,
I knew it.
I don't have that problem. Well, if I have that problem, I don't notice.
Because I have loads of followers. I don't.
That's like it goes still. I mean,
He
I
loved the
hope-
followers. He went Joel.
I
So
hope
what is it? You guys follow the guys?
No, but the thing is, though, you know, social media does exploit people's insecurities. So you have to be really careful when you're using things like that. I mean, it's important to have a very good sense of self, and you know, social media can paying too much attention to it can
That's
destroy
right.
that. So you have to be.
And some
yeah.
people get very offended. Have you ever tried that somebody send you like a follow request or a like, and they'll call you personally and be like,
But
why you
yo,
didn't follow me back?
Oh, you never like my
Or,
picture.
Why you never like my
you never
picture? And
respond
I'm
to
like,
my DM. By the
sorry.
way, Nisha, you never respond to the DM.
Nice.
It's official. We're
Nice.
sending our women's bobsled team to the 2018 Olympics, Olympic Winter Games in how you pronounce it?
Pyeongchang in
South
South
Korea.
Korea.
The team of brakesmen Carrie Russell, Audra Sigri, and pilot Jasmine Fenletter Victorian got the job done in St. Moritz, Switzerland over the weekend to achieve another historic Jamaican sporting feat.
Yes.
Winter Games are from February 9th to the 25th, and congratulations to the team on making it, and we wish you all of the best.
Yes, I'm telling you, talk about, black girl magic.
Yeah, man, how we run
Like
things
black girl
around
magic.
we, man.
It's
Anything
like,
we want, we
yes.
just do it.
We don't ever have snow, but things turn up anyway.
Over
like-
the weekend too, in South Africa, the H&M stores were trashed in protest to an ad that came out with a young boy wearing a cutest monkey in the jungle sweatshirt. We have a video right here.
We have a video. Right.
Let's see what's going on.
Wow. So as you can see, this gentleman is very displeased.
The thing
He's
is with
very upset.
the thing is with these things, I mean, there's never an excuse to take the law into your own hands, but at the same time, you have to wonder if things aren't taken to a certain level, if
Change
people would
ever
pay
happen.
yeah, right, if people would pay attention to it. So I understand that people were frustrated, especially people in the black community were very frustrated because of the sweatshirt. I, for one, was offended because of the sweatshirt. I never dig it at all. I didn't like it any at all, and I thought that it was very rude. I don't know if I would have mashed up the store, but I don't know, maybe if I see somebody I mash it up, maybe I might
Did I
join
join
in and
in?
keep up my one cheer
Hey,
still.
rub it.
Hey,
Hey.
I don't know.
But
No, I'm definitely
H&M
not shopping at
temporarily
H&M again.
closed all the stores in that area due to safety precautions. Now, do you think it was right to thrash the store? And do you think they were right in the fact that they decided to close everything? Like, what do you think about that?
Well, might as well them close it, because, I mean, hardly, the black community certainly has stopped, or definitely has calmed down the shopping
Yeah.
there. I, for one, won't be shopping at H&M anymore.
Yeah, and I'm
we
gutted
kinda
by
done with
that.
them.
I'm so upset because, H&M, you can get nice, cheap things, right? And, we
Yeah.
like cheap, so
I saw
I'm
them- I
upset.
saw them go on, like,
However,
more lower,
however, I'm a little more upset at the fact that, like we said, because we spoke about it last week, that this keeps happening. It's not the first time that they've done something like this. It's like you guys need to learn. Us as black people, we have money and we spend our money. You need to stop treating us like second-class citizens.
Well,
So
the
as much
thing
as
is,
I'm not for the violence, I am kind of like,
I have a completely different
Well-
viewpoint. I don't care if they stop treating us like second-hand citizens. We need to know where our money is going. We need to spend our money with people that we understand the direction that they're moving their company in. So
right.
what we really need to do is know store owners and
right.
I
But
mean,
that also
buy
means,
black, but buy
though,
family too. I mean, you have to know who
That
you're
means
buying
that
from.
we would have to stop supporting these larger stores because most of these
No, nothing wrong.
chain stores.
That's not as difficult as you might think.
I am not opposing to that. I'm all about shopping local and shopping black. Yes, I am. So that does mean changing our mindset a whole lot. Speaking of which,
local. So non-Jamaican Chinese store worker or owner was caught on camera slapping a schoolgirl over 40 Jamaican dollars in the past a couple of weeks ago, and
Worth of
right.
sweets,
So it
yeah.
was $40 worth of sweets, and she was taken to jail. The store owner was taken to jail, but then she was released because the parent decided not to press any charges. I want to hear what you think about that, because I know you have some very strong views about or the alter ego. Come out now.
okay. So if you'd like me to take out my earrings and take off my shoes, because I have a daughter that's 13, and I believe this girl is around that age, let me tell you, that's not okay. That's not okay. No matter what she's done, you don't deserve to put your hand on somebody. So,
I didn't see the original slap, but when I read the story, I thought it was just a slap on the hand or something like that. Or I never know, say a drape up and box
Drape up
thing
and
go
box
on.
in the face.
Over $10? Oh man. Anyway, there's a video of Vegas.
so Vegas got involved.
Yeah,
he brought the young girl to the store.
Yeah, to bring them back
speak
together.
to the Chinese lady, and I
You
believe
know,
we have
Vegas
a
will
clip.
buy out the people them argument for.
Wait, jump in. All right, let's see this clip.
Okay, so this is Vegas. Oh, so this
Okay.
is when.
So I don't know if you guys at home can hear what they're saying, but I believe there's an audio that's coming.
I would have loved to hear what go on. Hold on, let's start this video over.
Yeah, because it's really important what she says.
Pull up.
Yeah, Mickey, you say so there. Yeah, so sorry. Yeah. Okay.
So you're sorry, Miss Chin.
Yeah, you say sorry, huh?
I want you to take care of Miss Yari, Miss Chin.
Okay.
And we want you to understand that it was a misunderstanding because she said the money fell on the ground. So she was not trying to steal anything because nobody tried to steal and come and pay for it. So you accept our apology? All right. And we don't want to be ashamed of anything, you know. All right? We didn't do anything wrong. So don't be ashamed of anything. And the world now knows, say, Miss Chin, sorry. You accept apology, everything good. Big up. See? One up. See? Yeah,
so I want to say something, Mr. Vegas. Like, I don't know the story as to why you got involved. Everybody in office is saying that, you know, you're a Christian, you probably want to do the good thing and everything like that. So I'm not opposed to that. That comment that you just said, the world knows, and Miss Chin, sorry. I question why.
Vegas never too far from a good story yet.
Why? I'm just saying.
No, but hold on though. The part that I didn't like was when he said to tell Miss Chin sorry, and Miss Chin was like, yeah, tell me sorry.
Tell me sorry.
I didn't like that, and especially if she did not intend to steal the goods, then what was she saying sorry for?
I agree. And the thing is, you guys have been shopping in the wholesale, right? And you know that, for example, the persons who work in the store are not allowed to touch the money, right? So that for me, there's always a level of kind of disrespect I always feel in the way that persons in Jamaica are treated, particularly in the stores that they own. Yeah. So I have a problem. Like, I don't like the etiquette in how you treat people. I'm not about it. So that
big
store,
man of the money,
my daughter,
the boss kind of style, you know?
It done.
Anyway,
It done.
That's it for Boss. We'll be right back with Daytime Live. Stay tuned. We'll hold you for things for now.